Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the Euro again, I still think it looks like a big old 1, 2, 3. I think there's a very good chance we're now in a wave 4, which will probably look something like this before it goes up for a wave 5. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first push down is likely a wave A. I think this is likely 1, 2, 3 waves up for a B, and I think at some point it is going to go down for a wave C, probably an ABC of 4. I think this 50% Fibonacci retracement is the very likely area for this to end a wave 4 and potentially head back up. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is the bottom of the wave A. I think this is 1 up A, 3 down B. And the fact that it's a little bit of a higher high says that it could be a regular flat. So if that's the case, this is likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which I think it still needs to go up to about the 105 area minimum before it actually goes down and makes the bigger wave C, because this should be an A, B, C, a B, and then back down for a C like I showed on the weekly, monthly time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, it's definitely going down pretty strong, but I still think it might end up being continuing the uptrend later on. I think this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. So if it does break down, it's probably just a 4, and it'll probably go back up to that 105, 100% Fibonacci extension I showed on the daily for the wave 5. And then if it goes down and breaks structure, that's probably the end of a correction and the continuation of the downtrend. So let's take it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, the trend is definitely still up. For me, the trend is definitely up until we break this structure right here, which we definitely haven't done so yet. So it's hard to tell whether this is actually like a wave A over here. It kind of looks to me like it is. And this is like a 1, 2, 3 up for a wave B. And this is now going down for a wave C. I think it does look like this, especially when you look at other yen pairs. So if that's the case, then it might break structure, reject structure, and end up continuing back up, like an ABC of 4, and then back up for a wave 5. Definitely keep this possibility in mind. It definitely seems pretty likely, especially because our targets haven't been hit on the daily, weekly time frame to the upside yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.